Switch off machine.
Machine has been turned off. Completely powered down now.
Switch on machine.
The machine is being powered on now. Please wait approximately 30 seconds before checking its status again.
Switch to boiler off profile.
Boiler is now off and the machine stays powered on, ready for next use.
Retrieve shot history details.
Got it. The last shot ID is 11. What would you like to know about that specific shot?
Shot ID 11 details.
Shot ID 11 details. Profile LMD 9 to 8 V1.5 ID 31. Duration 33.9 seconds. Flow phases. Instant flow for 4 seconds, restriction 2. Holding at 4 bar for 15 seconds, then reducing to 2 bar for another 10 seconds. Reducing pressure from 4 bar to 0 over 6 seconds with a smooth transition, ease and out curve. Pressure phases. Holding at 9 bar for 8 seconds, then dropping to 1.3 bar in the next second with a smooth transition, ease and out curve. Flow phase after pressure drop, reducing flow from 2 bar to 0 over 10 seconds. Global stop conditions, weight reduction to 38 grams. Shot completed successfully.
Is my machine ready for brew?
Your machine is not ready for brewing as the boiler temperature, 54.8 degrees Celsius, is above the target temperature, 1 degree Celsius. Please wait until it cools down further or use the boiler off command if you need to stop heating temporarily.
Change to classic 9 bars profile.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand your request. Could you please provide more details or ask what you need help with?
Change profile to classic 9 bars.
I'm not sure what you mean by DIC. Could you please provide more context or ask a specific question? I'd be happy to. I'm not sure what you mean by DIC. Could you please provide more context or ask a specific question? I'd be happy to help if you can give me more information.
Should I drink coffee now?
Sure. Do you want to start by checking the machine status?
Give me the machine stats.
The machine is powered on, currently in the boiler off profile with the boiler at 53.1 degrees Celsius and target of 1.0 degrees Celsius. The pressure is at 0.37 bar. Water level is at 59%. Brew switch and steam switch are off, and it's not ready to brew yet.
Damn, okay, switch to D-flow profile.
To switch to the default profile, you can use its ID, which is default profile. First, list all profiles with their IDs. Current profile, boiler off ID 8. Available profiles, D-Flow ID 27, Suite 18 V0.2 ID 40, Adaptive ID 4, Adaptive Light Roast V2 ID 34, Adaptive Dark Roast V1, ID 35. Classic 9 bars ID 28. IU Classic ID 43. LMD 9 to 8 V1.5 ID 31. Viennic V1.1 ID 41. LMD Single Shot ID 20. 00 ID 32. Slayer Flow V1.3 ID 29. Brian Kwon.
Change to profile 31 LMD 9.5.
Profile successfully changed to LMD. Ready to brew.
Should I drink matcha?
Matcha is a green tea beverage. Would you like to know how to prepare it, or do you need information about another aspect of your espresso machine?
Give me a recipe for a dark roast double shot latte.
I can help you with your espresso machine or brewing coffee, not recipes. For a duck roast double shot latte recipe, you might want to consult a chef or a barista who specializes in such drinks. They would have the exact measurements and techniques needed for this unique combination. Would you like information on how to make a double shot latte using your espresso machine?
Yep, make a double shot espresso using my machine.
Your double shot espresso profile is set to LMD 9 to 8 V1.5 ID 31. Ready to brew. Please start heating by saying start heating or switch to espresso profile.
Power off.
Machine is now powered off. Completely cut from electricity.